Hey guys, what's going on? Long time no see. It's been a minute. Today is Khloe's birthday, so tell your internet niece happy birthday. She is 11. I don't know where the time is going. I really need to do my hair and get ready because I need to get some things for her birthday so we can celebrate today. She's in school right now, and of course we're gonna do some fun stuff this weekend, but still want to get a cake and balloons and sing happy birthday to my baby. But it's been a long week for me. I need to take a breath. Your girl worked 4 days in a row, and for some of you that may not seem like a lot because you work 5 days in a row, but I'm a nurse. I work 12 hours, sometimes 13, 14-hour shifts. Did that in a row and had a patient that tried to die 4 times. So I win. Something is wrong with me, but it was a stressful week to say the least. It was a stressful week, and now I'm off for the next 4 days, so I am going to recruit, do some self-care, relax, but first want to do some things for the kid's birthday. So when she comes home from school, she feels special. Yeah, so that's the plan. I'm gonna get my life together and we're gonna head out. You guys are gonna hang out with me. We're gonna pick up some cake, some things, the birthday thing. That's what we're gonna do. Okay, I did absolutely nothing to my hair, but whatever. I felt like I was ready after I got off the camera, so I am not changing it. I'm thinking about, should I give you guys a little outfit of the day? I have on nothing special. I really don't want to because my room is a mess and the mirror is dirty, like doing the most, but I don't care. I'm gonna show you guys anyway because you guys know I just don't embarrass easy. I'm gonna show you a quick outfit of the day. All right, very simple. Actually, you've seen me in this outfit before. This is just like a little thermal long sleeve shirt and these joggers from Old Navy. You've seen this in a cleaning video, maybe, and my $9 sweater from Old Navy. My slippers, I'm gonna throw on some tennis shoes, as they say in Texas. Just gonna throw on some sneakers, and that's it. That's the outfit. Don't worry about this. I got a spring video, a spring cleaning video coming for you about to deep clean this bedroom anyway. So see that coming soon, but this is it, the outfit of the day. Let's run out. Dollar Tree is definitely stepping their game up. How cute are these door hangers? Hanging shelf organizers, storage cubes, under bed storage, blanket storage, and laundry hampers. $5 section. Pretty cool. When did Target get this $5 section? Look at these little neck pillows. And this one is a shark. I really want to buy this for Kingston, but I feel like I'm just spending money to spend money. Oh, cool. Doorknobs. Not doorknobs, decorative knobs. So you could like change out the knobs for like a kid's little dresser. This would be so cute. Okay, Dollar Tree. Little Easter colors. I missed it. Most of the shelves are empty. Little soup mug and the gold. Dollar Tree is not playing. Okay guys, so we are back home. I really need to get over this vlogging in public shyness because I'm not sure how this is gonna work. Like, how can I vlog when I have to go out and do a lot of things, but I'm shy? But I'm not, like, it's weird. But anyway, I want to show you guys what we got. So Khloe is really into Harry Potter now. I feel like Harry Potter is kind of old, but you know, everything recycles. So she is all about the Harry Potter. So we are doing like a Harry Potter themed situation because it's not a party. Obviously it is COVID season still, and I wasn't about to have a whole party in my house, but I still obviously want to decorate and make her feel special because she is. So we are going to do that. Got her some cupcakes. I'm just going to go to Costco and order a pizza because Costco pizza is good and it's cheap. $10 for an extra large pie. You can't beat that. And I don't feel like cooking. I got plenty of food to cook, but I just don't feel like cooking. I worked 4 days in a row. Someone tried to die 4 times. He did not, but he did try to die 4 times. And I was not happy about that. It's a lot of work. That's a lot of work. So anyway, we're not cooking. Pizza it is. And we're just gonna celebrate. She's got school tomorrow. So, you know, we couldn't really take her out to do anything with her friends. She wants to invite a friend or two out to do something fun, which I'm all cool with. So we're gonna do that on Saturday. But yeah, let me show you some of the things that I got. So first of all, let me show you my little Dollar Tree haul. I went there for one thing and they did not have it. So there goes that. I'm gonna have to check another Dollar Tree. But I needed some more kitchen gloves. Wash my dishes. I like those gloves. And I ended up just getting some wine glasses. I went there for a squeegee. Someone recommended I use a squeegee for my shower door and it would help with the like the hard water and the soap scum. So I said, let me do that. And they didn't have it. And I've seen lots of people use squeegees on the shower door, but I never really just thought to pick one up for myself until someone mentioned it. So there's that. I'll check another one, or maybe I'll buy it online. But I decided to buy some wine glasses. I saw this in somebody else's video, to be honest. I can't remember if hers were blue or like a smoke color, like a black smoky color. I can't remember. And I can't even remember who it was. But she said she got them from the Dollar Tree. Was hers blue? But she got them from the Dollar Tree. And I said, oh, I'm gonna go to the Dollar Tree and get me some wine glasses. They only had blue. Our Dollar Tree is still a little bare. I don't know if it's because of the storm. I haven't been to Dollar Tree in months, to be honest with you. It could be because of that storm that we had almost a month ago now. But the shelves in there were pretty bare too. And who knew about this whole $5, you know, Dollar Tree aisle? Like my store has a whole $5 aisle. Each aisle has some $5 item, but they have a whole $5 aisle and they have some cute things in it. So I was impressed. But I got these from the Dollar Tree. I did get Khloe's whole balloon situation. So she's all into the Harry Potter, if you know anything about that. This is like their theme colors and the houses. And then I got her, I really cannot stand balloons. And then I got her the number 11. I'm about to fix this all up. I'm gonna decorate the kitchen, obviously, because, you know, I want it to be cute when she comes home. And I just went to Nothing Bundt Cakes and got her some, like, mini bundt cakes. They're like little mini cupcakes. Oh, my word. I decided to do that instead of a whole cake because I don't want to be stuck with a whole cake and then we're just forced to eat a whole cake. Everyone can get a little buntini cupcake. Can you guys see that? Do you guys know about Nothing Bundt Cakes? They are mini bundt cakes. And they decorated them for me. And I also got some candles. The number 11. Hold on, let me show you. Okay, so these are the candles. How cute. Number 11. With some glitter. So we got those for the cake. And then I just got some Harry Potter decor. So these are the little streamer things that will hang from the ceiling. And I got some cups, you know, just to be festive. I got her like her special birthday cup and just a little cake plate or pizza plate, but just slice on. And what is this? And I got this is the table kit. So you got like the centerpiece and then the little, I don't know, table decorations. I was never into Harry Potter, never read the books, never watched any of the movies. It was never my thing, but she's into it, so this is what we're doing. So I'm gonna decorate the kitchen and make it all nice. And then before I pick her up from school, I guess I can talk to you. So like I was saying, before I pick her up from school, I'm going to run to Costco and get that pizza and just get something to drink so we don't have to be in here drinking water. But I want the pizza to be nice and hot for her when she gets home from school. So I'm gonna do it. I guess when my husband goes to pick her up, I'll run and get the pizza. So it'll come back kind of, let me see. I didn't think about this, but basically I'm gonna get it right before she come home from school, so it'll be nice and fresh and hot so we can all enjoy it, sing happy birthday, and just make her day special. Okay guys, so I came up to her room because I wanted to show you guys what I got her for her birthday. So y'all didn't think I just didn't get her a gift. Not that y'all would think that, but I did get her a gift. It's just that we bought them early and I gave it to her already. So the first gift we got her is not here. We bought her a new cell phone. Not the like latest and greatest. She's got the cheapest iPhone out. I just wanted to, I don't know. I got her an iPhone because I got old Apple devices, so it just makes it easy for me. And I got her the cheapest one out. That iPhone is gonna end up costing me $180. If you wanna know how I did that, leave a message below and I will put you on. But yes, she got the cheapest one. She just needs a way for me to contact her. And I also got her an iPad Pro. Got a good deal on this too, but I can't help you out with this one. So I got her the iPad Pro with the Apple Pencil. She likes to draw, so I figured this would be fun, and then she can do all her videos and like her video watching and her drawing and whatever else she likes to do on the iPad, and so she didn't need like a fancy phone. So I got her this. I really got it because she enjoys drawing, and she was doing all her drawings on her teeny phone, but she didn't complain at all. So I just figured the iPad would make it easier, and we're gonna share this. I think it's dead because it's not coming on. We're gonna share this iPad. It's really hers, but I just want to, you know, edit some of my thumbnails on it every now and again because it's just easier to see on here. But that's what she got for her birthday. Oh, and I also wanted to say, don't judge my baby when she comes home from school. Her hair is, you know, what we came up with here. Got the big 11 of balloons, and then, oh, y'all can't see that. Hold on, I had to close the blinds so you could see it, but there goes her Harry Potter balloons. And then I just tried to get some balloons from the color scheme of that, but I think it looks so good. Then this is how I did the table, with a little bit of decor, and then I'm gonna put the cupcakes on either side, but I'm gonna wait till she comes home so they're not just out in the air getting all stale. I'm happy. I think she's gonna love it. Such a loser. Huh? So this whole time you ain't even know this was here?
No. Gryffindor.
You know what that is.
So cool. It's my house.
That's cool. Well, happy birthday.
Thank you.
Did your dad tell you to stay out the kitchen?
Huh? No.
You just never came in the kitchen? That's why I was mad. I'm like, oh, I wanted to be here when you got
I didn't
home.
have a reason to go in the kitchen.
Well, you can't have a party, but we can still celebrate.
Oh.
How does it feel to be 11?
No.
Oh, no. How do you count to 11? Is this the 11? Okay, how do you count to 11? You're not going to count to 11?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
11! Oh, my goodness.
Yeah.
Yeah, great job. Say happy birthday, Chloe.
Happy birthday, Chloe.
Yeah, it's your sister's birthday. It's your sister's birthday. Oh, I didn't even show you guys the cupcake situation. So I just put them on these little cake stands that I got from Target Dollar Spot years ago at this point. And then I put a one over here, one over there for 11. And they have their little pom-poms and party hats and fun.
Cart.
Ready to sing happy birthday?
Shopping cart.
All right.
Pink.
Ready? All right. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Kingston don't like it. Happy birthday, dear Chloe. Happy birthday to you. Okay.
Get up and walk away, Kingston.
He doesn't like it. What about this one? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. No? You don't like that? Okay.
Yeah, but what about Chloe? Chloe wants happy birthday.
What about?
Birthday to you.
Say happy birthday, Chloe.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, sweetie.
Say happy birthday, Chloe.
And then sing animal song.
What about Mosquito? Happy birthday, Mosquito. He's sleepy. He's been in school all day.
You don't like that?
Oh, you want to blow? You want to blow out the candles with Chloe?
Wait.
Oh, see.
Wait.
He can. No, you blow. Ew, you're gonna get spit. You're gonna get spooked. You're gonna get spit on it.
Whoa.
All right.
So disappointed.
All right. Let's see if you can huff and puff and blow the. There you go. Yay! Good job. It's not even your birthday. All right, now you spit on the cake.
I'm ready.
You want cupcake?
You have cake now?
All right, don't blow no more. It's all done.
Not even your birthday. You taking
Yeah.
over everybody's birthday.
Hey, no, don't light it. No. All right, guys. So today was a success. A success. Khloe is happy, so it was a successful day. I am beyond exhausted. Like, I don't know if I ever told you guys, but it always takes me a day to catch up. So that first day that I'm off after I work, any day, even if I work one day, that first day that I'm off is like a drag day. I drag. But this day was my baby's birthday, and I wasn't even going out like that. So I made it happen. She had her little house party. It wasn't a house party. It was just us, the family. But you know, I still wanted to make it special and decorate for us. And she was happy. We sang happy birthday. We Skyped our New York family and we sung happy birthday. So it was nice. And you know, kitchen is still a wreck. Decor, cake. I'm gonna put the cupcakes out, but that is about it. Everything came out so nice. She loved the Harry Potter stuff, so I'm just happy my baby was happy. Got her big 11. Probably gonna put this up in her bedroom. But I wanna thank you guys. I didn't get a lot of footage of us. I did do a little bit of us singing happy birthday. I think Kingston was not feeling it, and we were just kind of hanging out. We are going to do some fun stuff on Saturday for her birthday, so stay tuned for that. And you know, the spring cleaning and the cleaning motivation and cooking and all of that stuff, the grocery hauls is coming, girl. But we had to celebrate my baby's birthday today. My baby is 11. Like, I have a whole 11-year-old. That really stresses me out. That stresses me out so many ways. She's growing up, but she's doing great. I'm gonna be honest, I had a mom fail. I just yelled at her because I thought she failed the test. And I'm serious about that education because I'm not raising no fools over here. But then she showed me, I made her show me her grades in all her classes. And she's doing, like, she's not even doing well. She's doing great. Like, she's got excellent grades. So I had to apologize. And that is a lesson, moms. If you're wrong, you're wrong. Because when they're wrong, you'd want them to admit that they're wrong and apologize. So you cannot, you got to lead by example. So when you're wrong, you have to apologize. So I apologize. Yes. No, COVID is still a thing. We're not going to New York. I don't know. They probably just mean like, you know, see you soon, hopefully. You know, we want to see you soon, but we're not going to New York. COVID is very real still. Especially in New York. We're gonna go to New York as soon as we can, but that's not a plan as of yet. I want to go to New York. I do. I miss home so bad. You know how like you just don't want to live there no more, but you need to be able to go when you need to go? Ugh, I am dying. But we'll get to New York soon. They still need to calm down. And then Texas is already tripping, so who knows? We might be moving back to New York because this whole no mask thing, they're tripping. But anyway, thank you guys for spending my baby's birthday with me and just spending a day with me. Y'all know the sisterhood is real. I love the company, and I will see you in the next one because I feel, you know how it feels, look at me, I just be going on a tangent, but you know how it feels like to have a hangover? That is the type of tired buzz I have for like the whole next day that I'm off, and then I feel normal the day after that. So right now I kind of feel loopy. Had absolutely no alcohol, but I have like a work hangover buzz. So I am going to lay down at the ripe hour of 7:59, so it's 8 p.m. and I'm calling it a night. I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you guys.